Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami koala face.
The first koala bear in space was suddenly toast.
So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half diagonally both ways. Then fold the top edges to meet the center line. Then fold both flaps diagonally upwards. Then fold the top diamond downwards. Then fold the bottom flap up. And fold the bottom layer so that it aligns with the top layer. And now fold the diamond downward. Then fold the ears backward. Now all you have to do is draw a face on it. And there you have your own origami koala face. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.